Here in Fairfax County, domestic violence is a leading cause of homicide. It's also a significant cause of serious assaults and serious injury to victims. We wanted to make sure we had a press conference today to let the community know that these cases are happening. So today we were fortunate to have Chief Ed Rossler from the Fairfax County Police Department and Ina Fernandez, who is the director of the county's Office for Women and Domestic and Sexual Violence Services. And they were here today to talk about the LAP and how we've had some pretty great success thus far.
So with the partnership of the Office of Women and Domestic and Sexual Violence Services, we selected the Maryland Lethality Assessment Program, otherwise known as the LAP. The primary goal of the LAP is to prevent domestic violence homicides, serious injury, and reassault by engaging victims early in that initial call for service that the police officers respond to.
The protocol requires patrol officers to contact the 24-hour hotline, or I'm sorry, the 24-hour LAP line anytime there's a case that screens high danger for lethality. The victims, however, it's up to them to decide whether or not they speak with an advocate on the phone immediately when the officer hands over the phone. Our safety planning and advocacy is directly responsive to the questions that are answered positively from the screen.
There's 11 questions. The top 3 questions are the most serious that we look at, and it's has your offender ever threatened to kill you? Have you ever been strangled? Have weapons ever been involved in the past? Or does the offender have access to weapons? Those are things that bring concern to us. Between July and August of 2015, officers have administered roughly 220 lethality assessment screens, roughly 1.88 calls a day to the LAP line by the police officer and then a victim eventually talking to the advocate.